In this video, I will talk about the top 5 digital marketing tactics you can't afford to ignore if you want your business to succeed in today's online marketplace. Stay tuned. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll discuss the top 5 digital marketing tactics you can't afford to ignore. These tactics are essential for any business looking to grow online. SEO is one of the most critical aspects of digital marketing. Optimizing your website and improving your keyword research can rank higher in search engine results pages and attract more visitors. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to increase traffic to your website. This type of marketing involves receiving a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. Email marketing is also a valuable tool for reaching out to your audience. You can use email to communicate with customers, promote content discounts, and even drive people back to your website. Mobile app marketing is another essential aspect of digital marketing. With so many apps out there, getting your app in front of as many people as possible is vital. Use app messaging to create awareness about your app and its features to drive installs and improve retention rates. And finally, social media marketing is a must-do for any business looking to grow online. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram provide excellent opportunities for businesses to connect with new customers and build relationships with existing ones. So there you have it, the top 5 digital marketing tactics that you can't afford to ignore. Thanks for watching.